right, we have a box.
Where'd you go? Ow! Ow!
I was thinking of all the like crazy ways I could open this box. And then you know what I realized?
No.
They invented these things.
No, this is the trick right here. You use your finger. Okay.
Mighty Morphin Power Rangers.
How about that, Nigel Jones?
Cash me outside.
You're inside.
Cash me outside.
Okay.
This box is bigger than you, Chris. Whoa! 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 What are you doing?
We're skateboarders.
Put this thing on the ground.
Yo! Yo! What? Hey, I take it back. Hey, don't add me hitting the box.
That is the size of a plane wheel.
Look at that.
Oh, look at this. It came with the lunch lady hat. I called dibs on the seat.
No way. You can't break this.
This bike also has a torque sensor, which will give you a certain amount of power according to your pedal strength. So you'll get more assistance, especially when you're going up hills, which makes the journey way easier than the ordinary e-bikes, which have a speed sensor. This bike also makes a great Christmas gift. Okay, we got the fat tires running. We got it up onto speed level 5, and we're gonna accelerate just straight out, no pedaling. Look at that, boy! Let's go! Yee-hoo! I ain't gonna lie, I'm sketched.
Take it down the 5! Take it down the 5!
Sumiro's in the way. We tested down the 3? Or no, we got a ramp in the way. Okay, let's roll that drop.
Oh! Oh!
Orale way!
Oh!
You're trying to jump or go like that? Let's do an acceleration test. We'll go outside and see how fast it accelerates.
Oh!
Can you imagine?
Oh! He's fast! Should you test it, start at the gate? How long does it take you to get to the other gate, and we'll time it with pedaling and without pedaling?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. How about until you get to the downhill, like the truck area, and then you brake, like once you cross that line?
Okay, when I hit the downhill, stop it. On your marks, get set, go. It's on speed level 5. I'm on gear 6. Not sure if that does anything. We're getting up to 19 miles an hour. No, 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 no. That's hella scary. That thing flies.
You're only going 20.
Only? You go 20 into that.
That's what I'm saying. Imagine the next one when you're pedaling, you're gonna be going 30. What was the time, Mo?
11:07.
11:07.
D.
11:70. It's the same thing. All right, be safe, Aaron.
On your marks, get set, go. Oh my God. 22, brake!
Oh!
Look at that.
That thing is fast.
Yeah, Nigel was rolling it and they were like, we could only get it to 22. I just got it to 22 just right there.
Here, we have the ultimate race right here. E-bike versus one-wheel GT. We should just get it.
You want to race?
Hell yeah. You'll probably win.
Min.
Mowgli, before I ask you for your prediction, don't you think that the people should leave it in the comments below who they think is going to win this race? Now, what's your comment?
She just told me that she got her one wheel fixed up. So honestly, it's close. I think maybe the bike just by a lot.
You're right.
E-bike versus E-wheel.
3, 2, 1, go! Oh! 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 What the heck? Woo! Woo!
I thought for sure you were gonna die.
I've got faster than that.
She almost had to collect her settlement, brother.
That was surprisingly close.
She is a racer.
She is?
Yeah.
That was a good race. Who would you call the actual winner, though, Aaron?
If we're going with the standards of going first person go like to the slope,
I think we need to do another one with a real finish line.
Mark out a finish line.
All right, let me go get the chalk.
Need some time to pedal, you know?
Keep that line straight, Mo. It's turning. It's turning.
it's gonna be controversial. I should just film it slow-mo.
This is gonna be controversial.
I'm gonna just film like that because it starts curving, so my line is actually accurate.
Gentlemen, we have one wheel versus e-bike. One race to win them all. Who's taking it?
I got my money on AK. Hey, put it in 5.
I saw the first one.
No, you didn't. No, you didn't.
Oh,
Put it in 5.
I'm gonna say the one wheel.
Guys, she wasn't in the fastest riding mode last time.
You better pedal harder then.
On your marks. Get
Wait,
set.
no, whoa. Nigel, call it.
On your marks, get set, go!
Start! No, it's a terrible start.
What? No!
Oh! Oh! Y'all both almost.
She almost had to collect that settlement, bro. I tell you what. You see what I did though? I got SF with it. So your pants don't get caught in your spoke.
Oh, come on.
Come on, that's real.
Skateboarding. Hey, Tristan, you better subscribe. Yeah, I'm talking to you, Tristan. You better subscribe right now, or else we're gonna have some issues.
All right, who's giving it a try? Wow!
I gotta hit it, then go.
Oh! Oh my God!
I gotta find that speed spot.
Oh!
Hey, I'm getting it.
Come get it, Glow.
Nothing like
Oh,
riding
you
a
have a good
chopper.
one.
The shocks on this is A1.
Oh! Smooth criminal.
All I know, if I had this when I was a kid and when I used to bike to school, man, I would want to bike every single day. This is the coolest bike ever even made. Look at this frame. Woo!
Dang.
All right, we're here today at the Road Raceway, and we're gonna do a top speed test. I'm gonna see how fast I can make this bad boy go. Whoa! 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 Okay, it's going. It's going, boys. It's going. Dang, I'm smooth. I want you to try this, Derek.
Yeah?
The second you start pedaling, just watch out.
Let's go.
How'd that feel?
Good.
It's got some jolt, don't it?
Exactly like the acceleration.
So I got it to 23. What'd you get it to?
I think 22. But
Beast mode.
that was quick.
It's a weird feeling because you don't totally realize the bike is electric, and you give it one little push and it sort of goes like, whoa!
That boy gone.
Okay, I'm gonna see if I can skid all the way across that cement part. You ready?
Ready.
Easy money. Easy boy.
Piece of cake.
Piece of cake. These giant fat tires too. Making waves at the skate park. Woo! Okay, I'm gonna start right here and I'm gonna get going and I'm gonna see how far I can skid. Skid streaks. You know, Derek? You know about the skid streaks?
I know.
Maybe I'm gonna go that way. Beast mode! Let's go! How many feet was that? 9,000 yards. That boy be sliding.
So a solid like 25 feet.
It's a solid 25 feet. I guess it's not 9,000 yards. Okay, let's go on the skate park, hit some jumps. Yeah. Nice and easy. Basically just ride the whole skate park, you know what I'm saying? Shredding it.
I think you can.
Yeah! Alright, that's fun. Nigel, you got the back foot?
What?
You got a back foot?
On that first try? No.
It doesn't have to be first try.
First tee.
Dang.
Oh. Oh, baby. Try. In classic Aaron fashion. It goes over everything.
Oh, no? Whew. Smell that from a mile away.
Derek, you let a hot one.
Derek, what are you doing?
Huge thanks to Hovsco for sponsoring this video. And you can check out that link in the description below and get your very own Hovsco electronic bike. I hope you guys enjoy it. What should we test next? Leave it in the comments below. Check out all those videos right there. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you, yes you, learn to ride a skateboard. We got everything you need at BrailleSkateboarding.com.